Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the AT&T Internet Air versus the Verizon 5G Home Internet. So if you don't know what these two offer, so the AT&T Air Internet is a wireless home internet service using AT&T's 5G and 4G LTE networks. It is designed as an alternative to traditional broadband. Now for 5G, so Verizon 5G is a home internet. So it is an internet service using 5G ultra wideband for fast wireless broadband with unlimited data. So now let's go over their pros and cons. So for AT&T, it has an easy setup, which is plug and play, no annual contracts, uses AT&T wide coverage, and prioritizes home traffic. Now the cons of it is that speeds can vary by location, as all internet does. It has limited availability and lower max speeds than cable or fiber. Now let's head on over to Verizon 5G home internet. The pros of it is that it has very fast speeds, especially with Verizon Wave. It has unlimited data, no contracts, and includes equipment. So once you get it, they actually provide equipment to you. Now the cons of it is that coverage depends on 5G availability and can experience signal interference, and installation may be trickier in some areas. Now, one thing to take note in both of these is that in all of internet actually is that internet actually depends on your location. So if you're in a high traffic location, no matter which internet provider you choose, you will always experience some form or some type of slowness due to the high traffic. So which one should you choose? So you should choose AT&T for simple setup and broad coverage, and you should choose Verizon 5G for faster speeds if strong 5G is available in your area. And yeah, that is it. That is the difference between AT&T and 5G. I mean Verizon. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.